you find yourself in need of a metal saw blade designed to deliver unparalleled performance and superior quality cuts? Well, you should take a look at Diablo's 7-inch, 48-tooth metal cutting saw blade. Diablo's Steel Demon saw blades are specially designed for the extreme demands of ferrous metal cutting. Featuring a durable triple chip grind tooth design, the blade's carbide teeth produce precise cuts without sparks, heat, or burred edges that result from using abrasive blades. Diablo's metal cutting saw blade is also equipped with anti-vibration technology that helps reduce noise and extends cutting life. The blade's laser-cut steel body provides smoother cuts and flatness. The non-stick Perma-Shield coating helps reduce friction and heat buildup, which adds to a longer blade life. And the Freud-made TiCo high-density carbide is specifically designed to provide up to 40 times longer life in metal cutting. The Diablo Steel Demon saw blade is recommended for metalworking projects and is ideal for cutting mild steels with a 1-inch maximum diameter. It's also ideal for cutting mild steels with an 1/8 of an inch maximum wall thickness, such as steel studs, angle iron, channel, flat bar, all thread, and EMT conduit. Sawblade.com carries an extensive line of Diablo as well as a wide range of high-quality sawing products at factory direct prices. We sell direct so we can control the quality of the product and the customer's experience, making sure you are always a satisfied customer, and bringing you quality industrial sawing products at lower prices. So log on to Sawblade.com for all of your sawing needs, from circular saw blades, coolant, and replacement parts. And while you're there, don't forget to check out Sawblade.tv, where you can access our assortment of sawing solutions, tech tips, and keep up with the latest in Sawblade.com motorsports. Sawblade.com is simply the best in performance sawing products. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.